Ebusian for my mom, Aquaba, and found Bragana, Sam TV GH, Messer, like, comment, subscribe, turn your notifications so that anytime you post a video with Seria.
Matter of fact, he was directed by Mahama to do that. And Okrena waho. And if you go and blame Haruna right now Ajita Haruna will come and tell you that it is the Mahama that have made them to go and take the money. The last time you people were blaming him, what did she say? One can't say, only say teacher fuano, mubua funo, but enya ono ene finance minister. One can't Ain't way moba ena Mahama, you have to reshuffle. You have to change Haruna Iddrissu. And number one, so number 25 Ghana cedis. And number one, no orgy 25 Ghana cedis. When you are my Mahama Nimukorosh, Mahama Airbus. The Mahama as a vice president, a wow po Ghana chrono to the essence and atami also crampo. Wa breno asset committee ma omwa investigating the corruption and the teacher ni bow chrono o be ye video and a Mahama reshuffle catch the Mahama say on reshuffle ne ho because minister be ni Ghana ha obedi usika the president has not assent to it. It is a year due 25 Ghana cedis. You had on a Iddrissu free one. Na ko blame finance minister any your president. Because it is their instruction. A Mahama instruction no be this. What? More beka posting wasam health for now say mental conduct. When we were due for postings, and then even our colleagues didn't want the president to post us. When the president gave his directive that, and your fault to say, what this date go John Domani Mahama pencil, and the way Jawa Motinefie, and my Yenswa we are betom. Until once there are vacancies there, Obianko, nobody could do foco. Your colleagues, seniors, emuna yen so ye de ye can who posti yen. No minister born of an appointee could do foco. Omu be a portal no ma ye nyina ma ye wure mu. And once the president said, nobody is going to pay foco to access portal, that was it. What Hona Mahama Bomo Chrono? Area your coins from you to share with his ministers. Corruption be ya ekoso Mahama ne cat ewo mubi. Now then you know what's rena. Mahama do reshuffle. If not the minister, what image does Mahama has? Asema ya mobeka. What positive image has Mahama built? We dare you na mind that besi ene award so. Moka Mahama sema mo say. Onye obi say, and yes, they will spoil his image. Some of us are still looking for that image. Doom so image, Anna. Automatic postings now on fan ban image, Image benya. Backlog of unemployment image, Near Entakrabwana, what the childhood policy kura Mahama faili. On one ni papa will not attain a manishwe nyainem punching. Ntintakrabwa die. Only me share no die. Mahama ye master of it. And no grandpa will fail. And your minister ne kwa ya oko kachira Ghana for Ntakrabwa no ya winning na. Enti sa image no mo na mo base mo be kama Mahama krono wanse ma mo say. He should look at Haruna. Mahama is more corrupt than Haruna Iddrissu. And say you 25 Ghana cedis to access portal. No one sere. Mahama na no oji sa sikana. On one in the finance minister. Because 25 cedis now mojeje no, it is not going to Haruna Iddrissu ministry. It is the finance minister. And no be ye den odi sikano. No kwa ko hu Mahama no matinasi. Imponchi ya dada omono. Ya John 25 CD when I say can you na ya babwa no na Mahama ka say oh okay, cut, divide it into 3, take one and disburse the other one to this bank account. You be no say Mahama should do reshuffle. The person that needs reshuffling is Mahama himself. Mono no mohona monsere portal on unsuccessful after 25 Ghana cedis. So who named another 25 Ghana cedi ya portal no unya. Nice one. Ebia otua into 25 times 4. 100 Ghana cedis. Ako.
They say nipa 30 million Ghana azenu.
No, obia try me no bako miensa. Na anfa. Mo. Mrs. Nyami anfa Mahama ntua teacher for ne health. Is in kan civil servants. Empire boni nyina ye boma asafu erade about nanado. Bomu one by one. Mu ye ni boni aye for papa. Mami fancy another voice. Mo take you over.
Hey, Rita, good evening. I trust you're doing fine.
Good evening, my dear. How are you?
Oh, yes, I don't know when I was your cherished listeners and viewers, and then our other special guest on about platform also. Rita, you see, all the things that are happening today, all I can tell Ghanaians is the worst is yet to come. The worst, no, this one, they warm up, keke.
Warm up, friendly match.
When John Mahama still had the benefit of another tenure to fight for, no, he was able to pay teachers 3 months for 3 years of work done. And no say he was going to seek re-election, no. Now, and now on him say there is nothing like that ahead of him. He does not have anything to lose. He does not have anything to lose. Look, this is the first time recruitment both for teachers and nurses are basa. And anyone who tells you say a mistake, no, nipa no boa. Very intentional and calculated. Omonem say, so can make application na successful. That is when you start pressuring government to employ, and also. So when you start checking your status and they tell you application is unsuccessful, who are you going to blame again that they should employ you?
You are unsuccessful.
Nobody to blame. You are unsuccessful. It's not government's fault. It's an act of God. That's what they will tell you. And now Becca will say, "Enya Mahama na ye, enya iti nibia na ye, uti nenye." And oh yes. So to make you blame yourself and question one kasa will lack.
Ufie
before nenye. And that is what John Mahama's Excellency and everyone in this government are doing. These things started with nurses last year, I think earlier this year also. All we knew is say successive governments in Nano, employ teacher batches one after the other. The same for nurses. Some way somehow this time around here, John Mahama didn't have by say try your luck. And what I was to say, we so soon ye dino, ebia udi ebe true. Wa ebia we so soon ye dino. Jesus kotua akwankyere sika, ema osofu bi. So ya akwankyere ma o.
Enya sana Peter.
But now, you see, this thing used to be free because to be able to even get to know, say, about your posting now, a true national service, when teachers are done with it and they have been successful with their licensure, then the government has that data. So, but now, no, with this current government that has come, they are both scamming you because now I sell it at 25 series. I was even thinking that it was 35 series. You are now required to pay 25 series, and then after paying the 25 series, they tell you application unsuccessful. And you see, after Nedo teacher 410, it started from the nurses, it went to air security services where they sold over 500,000 forms to people knowing very well, say, they were just going to employ just 10% of the number. They are just making money off the unsuspecting Ghanaian. And we have not reached anywhere yet to after 18 months. I cut 2 years, 5 months. So the earlier we stop complaining, the better for all of us. I'm just praying that these things, whilst this hardship is happening, God will help MPP need beer. Or involved, say, or application be go through successfully. But what ultimately to koto abama in this ring, I mean a chauka. What didn't we say? What campaign didn't we do? What past record didn't we tell Ghanaians about? There were times Ghanaians were complaining Mama was dancing until Ubia. Right? And your Mama, the same person went to tell all manner of things in Ashanti region. All the things they promised teachers. I won't catch a for sure cancel licensure exam. They are still writing licensure exam. They told teachers said they were going to expand admissions to the training colleges. Nothing of the sort has been done. Akufo-Addo was paying teachers continuous professional development every year. Mama abano mutia. Debbie, salary crop munyebi. Akufo-Addo was paying teachers regularly every, I think 24th or 25th July of the month. Their salaries were coming. And 3 months after the job, you will even lose count of the money that have been paid to you and how much government is owing you. That is what is happening right now across different services. And the interesting days ahead, let me be here and listen to my colleagues.
Sure. Interesting days ahead indeed. All right, Osonova,
Loa. Loa. Nana, what's in the Lumacao? Rare campaign, Rita, Mr. Yakasaya, have a Kuba, have to use a Rita, meaning Nancy. Chesa, Robert came in who are Nipadas and to us, you, Rita. Yan chefutu cause nipa no din ka ba first one no buy no name am koyi we name to ka tata antan Rita obeje ni say wo ye nim kasa wo ka ba obeje ni say from the one that they put 1 year no out to 5 years in addition kasa so nza Who do say this year? I'm going to introduce Chinese language from kindergarten.
Ma one dia no me just say your propaganda.
No propaganda. No propaganda. Mo ma twa me say ye mu bia fe na ye yire mo ba be wo ni ade an ye hunu amane. If you say
Who introduce Chinese?
Chinese language.
Really?
Almost the curriculum, new curriculum.
Plus Arabic. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. So the Arabic can count and the Latin no so count say Christopher no so yes so ye original language. I always say nyina kan so Latin and Greek. Into no omonfa Latin part Patwa, me Catholic say. E was an committee me patwa, but mintimianka. It is almost the Arabic, come home for Muslim, and a more for patwa, so come home for the Christians. So I. About fool say.
Mese, who need ya reta wonyini ye? Me nyini ye. Mr. Ana mete say if you French, I was school. So how many years in ye na you start to say French? Me in school and choir and I'm French. Reta, obeje is up to come to Minka. But some me ko exams won't see na some mitula. Men you can make me French meet me be. You so meet me from anwhere there enka. What I say? It take a queer say. Any money say column name pennyfono. If you be a JHs column, maybe an IS crown and I'm a matra and I'm ocean. But what the cock say moment I would be show and cry. And I say some crown in Shiano. A crown was yellow coffee only one.
Ain't me ento hotel no enyusua. Eye dena Ibrahim Muhammad utimi to Ghana government japade. Ni na ye ka kwa beba besi ahụ ya aso. Enu ntina obehwa MPP fo no bebre no ma jo say okay se ye kana mu ntie dia ene na ebesi bia nsi no bia afa ne ho adwen. No bia akopɛ ne ba bia atena. Se ade ne bi wo no ma odwen ho a ubisa onyonko odwen ho ubisa na sebi eye den pa na ye mosa. Hwe me say free SHS by enim penifo to anamon ko Ministry of Education you could share penifo minister nie ye kan ansem nyina a kire no papa said free SHS de onye ne ba offer private schools enka ho. He say papa why na wo Ghana hanuma woni my de college branches are here na wo Ghana hanuma can't he fana ide college ni. We have the infrastructure. O de ye ne pilot fire ka home. The then educational minister me money di no obi ehun de pakwa ka se me bokuti. O se da Satam owner of Ide College. No ye the then treasurer for central region. And they all contested for central regional chairman. Obi din so. Papa said that NDC for buy and the 2 months and the 2 months oh. NDC for buy and the 2 months. And on day I think 15 or say 18 private senior high schools I can't free SHS.
Yeah, sure.
Me na me catch it.
Because I've not heard this anywhere before.
DOB omunti omuka.
Because
yeah, sister, say omunti omuka. So omunti omuka mimi nim say mimi school no. Me no ka say ye ni kura won kwara be 700 omo ye free SHS Madina branch and the free SHS. This year so and new badge and quite from 1-4. This year another badge.
There be DOB omunti omuka no. What is the point?
The American team action great lamtemo.
Ena DOB TME. Enkwala na aba on sika hin ye tiom ta 20 Ghana 30 Ghana ne twetwetware oyama omo.
The American want to say. The American ko sinyina ne say. Nipa no or run educational institution. Free SHS buy no. Aba be good school no. Obi anfa ne ba mba private school bio.
Are you sure?
Oh, I'm in the field na make
DOB. Asembe na communication be na wo ye wa he.
Me na make asem na anya ho na na me.
DOB me tie. Enye wo kwa. Uni se me wo school. Me pese me kan sem bebre. Eti jai akaka no. And that is a poor and very bad communication.
Me na me wo school.
Me who was me your school owner.
And I'm in proud to see SHS and
me a school owner.
But you
me a school owner.
It depends upon your It depending a quite of fast you
Dio be
want
me
here.
ba
So,
me cho no dio be
and
me ba me cho
you
no.
see and to my go. I had our wanted. Free senior high school by and
Asaba
good
chau
and good
dada.
private and
Ebi
UBA.
a ni
Kunya
Asaba
na
ebi
chau
uchrano.
dada. Kwa
Namu
chaba.
communicating
Abotre
a ni
communication in
Dio
yet.
be.
Diobi, when
Yeah,
you miss
ebi a
me
ni
man
me ba
communication and yet.
ebi a
Maybe your
me
ni
ba
school owner. Nya wo kan nya no kre. E
ebi a
depend
ni
kwan ya wo be fa so ya wo niam na sew.
Dio be me ba.
NPP ni
ebi a
pass
ni
ni e kasa. Ya the policy aba
Abotre
na abo ahiafo a wo say abegu NPP party member yi ntinu.
ebi
Ma ya fa
a
policy
ni
ma. Asa me na wo kan
abotre
Diobi.
Dabi.
me ba
Diobi.
me ba.
Mentu asio.
Me fa
Say
me blame
about
fa
the
me cho.
policies yaba.
Hello.
ebi a
Wo
ni
ka
Ahiafo
individual
no.
ba akwa
Hello.
ezo na wo de
NPP party
kasa.
member ba ku penti no. Hey,
Abotre
NPP for the
Na me yana
communication
no
ye.
mentu asio.
Abotre me ba ebushanfo me ba. Dio be mpacho enye say we are not siding with you but I think say in
The
all
voice
in
patrol
all
no,
no
the voice
me ba
patrol no. Me ka sam nkyere no. Me one now for omo ye architect, contractors. They are into education. Say free senior high school mpo na ba ye na say bia ama we ye kofo mu a. There are so many avenues as an educator. There are so many avenues. How about me? I didn't make easy me secret because me a school owner.
yes me ba
Maybe one more munya Hey, MPP for. What kind of
Dio
communication
be
is this? When this in EBNT are not now. A party member
yes
ba ku painting. Oh, we
me
brought
ba
MPP.
Dio be
Dr. Mabubi,
mpacho
doctor,
me ma wakasa
Papa,
me
me
Moment
ba
assure
one
me
no
ba
ya
what.
tema yo. Party member ba ko pe. Edi
Abutre. Pamucho, oh, Diobi, mi pacho, mami brem, mema
oh
wakasa.
say na my din no
Mami chere bibi, mami chere bibi mu.
okay
Diobi, who say, yeba ha, the only aim for which we are coming here is to promote our party and make Crawford who say, on my mistake 2024. And whatever we are saying, it must end up in proving Ghanaians wrong for going to vote for John Mahama and NDC again. Mi pacho pa. Whatever are other issues that are supporting issues, no. You call ye kukuma, sesana ekano, ebeka wansem wo. Because we catch him say free senior high school, have a good private school, sir. Then I ask myself, say,
do the
we have
private hospitals health insurance
meba.
no me ba
Then I ask myself, say,
voice maybe say say
meba,
when do the private hospital health
mami.
insurance
Hello, my dear, my brother. Then I ask myself, say,
okay me too
free junior high school has been there for a very long time, but private junior high schools are still thriving in the country, and it cannot be say free senior high school na babegu junior kind of say private schools ni juma. Obi a or educational sector bi anim say sika a yɛtua wɔ a private senior high school no way more than sika a yɛtua wɔ a government senior high school. And even if government, everybody that will take their child to kind of saying a private senior high school, nipa or sika bet me afford it. And free senior high school cannot and will never be the reason why a private person will not have children in their schools to do this thing. And then finally, who said, NDC for abs will be 15 to 18 senior high school. I was shocked because, as a matter of fact, I've a sky buying now. I told force in 4 budget in already, 2 main budget
Me say
and
it's not true.
2 mid-year budget. It
Hey,
has not
MPP for.
reflected anywhere, sir.
The
Any
chichira no
payment has
what
been
you
made. Any payment has been made to any private institution. And today we'll be from that side, and then let's proceed in Pacho.
the one young fan from that side no say free SHS no for private schools na make kan kan ho na
And yes, omufa no
No,
can
be one more private schools that can
omutua
mutia. E one yes, and yet 2 cities. Munja nya mo keka no. Diobi. You. Ye lose ya ye ba
ade
you.
enya ne
Come
kula.
on, to me and
Me say
Casancho.
enya ne
You
kula.
don't know that's
Omo
a
for
poor
private school bi
communication.
aka ho.
Diobi, allow us to correct you. It's a
So
poor form of
let's go back to
communication. It's a
Mame
poor form
blam,
of
mame
communication.
blam.
Understand
na make
it.
kan kusi na
Sadia
nsa
Diobi, China, who
na
can?
meba.
When it's a free seniors for the good private school.
yeah,
Voice.
kasa about echema want to me and kasa
Diobi,
Meba.
a juma what a TikTok
Voice.
high.
Mame kan ko
Diobi.
bi tira mi nua beba.
let's talk about the chema want to me.
D.O.B. Who do you me say who D.O.B.
kasa that's
Please,
fine
DOB.
it's
No, you are talking. I will allow you to talk.
Meba 2 seconds.
I will allow you
D.O.B.
to
Juma wanda TikTok how ye. What the 2 seconds what be cancel hunu we. What be cancel hunu we. Say free senior high school aba beguwe. Na asam na we cannot see here. Wouldn't believe a dear bank of
Pesa mekano.
Mekano.
Nti enye de wo kan and ebe
Oh,
And I will treat you like NDC. And I will treat you like NDC. I will treat you like NDC.
new
Oh,
problem
DOB.
They say, then I will treat you like NDC.
C'est possible abotre. DOB, on say minimum inti na mafa. On say.
boys mama
O network no drop here be 4 times. I still pick you because minimum so MPP ni. Yes,
Boy.
see. Yen na ye wa ha nyina egitum say asema o ka no ebe higher party. Go for your screen recording. Yo, you can say about so let's go back to the chairman. Want to me and Paucho.
Yabase na ye chiche mawuntu. Iti ya chiche mawuntu me.
Good.
Ebanese. Because yenya MPP for na was say ye boy ye ho ye that is the genesis of my argument. Then na NDC for by within 2 years, with 2 months. Almost timidate South schools in the can. Not MPP for better now to 8 years. You are wrong.
Let's continue our conversation.
Mama collected the voice. Mama collected.
Makase.
Papers be and the report to say LDC chairman said